Guys, tingnan nyo guys. Ito daw yung tao na magiging isang werewolf guys. Nilagay siya sa kwarto guys. At may CCTV camera guys. Oh, hala, tingnan nyo guys. Nag-iba na yung anyo guys. Parang hindi to edited guys eh. Parang totoo guys. Pero nakakatakot naman guys kung sa panahon natin ngayon meron pang ganyan guys. Tingnan yung likod guys. Para ng likod ng aso guys. Or werewolf. Tingnan nyo guys oh. Nagsimula nang tumubo yung pangil guys at ang kuko guys. Tingnan nyo guys. Yung katawan guys na puna ng balahibo guys. Nakakatakot naman tong guys. Nakakatakot guys oh. Totoo kaya to guys? Please comment naman guys kung totoo.